baby is so happy. Would you look at this bird? Is that the wicker basket your grandmother gave you? Yeah, did your grandmother give you that wicker basket? He says, Mom, I love wicker. Yeah, I love wicker, Mom. I don't understand why everybody doesn't have a wicker basket of their very own that they can chew on. Yeah, it makes the softest nesting material, Mom. It's very satisfying. It keeps your cute curved beak nicely trimmed and shaped, Mom. It's great exercise, Mom. You really should try it, Mom. Yeah, it's great exercise. Yeah, keeps you fit, healthy, looking fabulous and feathery for the ladybirds, Mom. There's nothing not to like about wicker, Mom. About wicker, Mom.